Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine at home. Okay, your classes will be continued maybe up to the end of January. Okay, if the school reopens, we will see. Okay, students. So, in the adjustments in final accounts, we are in the 13th adjustment. That is provision for discount on debtors. Provision for discount on debtors. Related to the debtors, we have studied the first one, bad debts. The second one, provision for doubtful debts. Provision for doubtful debts. Now this one, the third one, provision for discount on debtors. Is related. Okay, discount on debtors. Here, the debtors, sometimes some debts may not be recovered. That is called irrecoverable debts. That is bad debts. We will write off this amount, isn't it? So, in the balance amount, we may provide something, some amount, some percentage, a certain percentage as provision for doubtful debts. That means we may or may not receive. That we are expecting for the future loss. Okay. Now, we are deducting this amount. The remaining amount is called good book debts. Good debtors. Okay. Or good book debts. Okay. That is that this one after deducting bad debt and provision for doubtful debt. Okay. The remaining amount is called good debts. Good book debts. Okay. So this amount we will allow the cash discount for this customers, isn't it? If they pay within the time limit, within the prescribed time, we may allow a certain percentage as the cash discount when they repay the amount. Okay, certain percentage will be reduced from the amount as per the terms and conditions in the invoice. Okay, either 2% or 3% will be deducted from that amount. For that one also we need to provide some amount. Okay, that is also an unexpected that loss, isn't it? Some year many customers might have paid within the time limit, so we have to deduct more amount, isn't it? Some years they may not pay any amount, so we too do not need to provide for the discount. We no need to give the discount for them. So it is unexpected, so we need to estimate a certain percentage and we have to deduct that percentage from the good book debts. Okay, that is one for the cash discount. Okay, for this one, what is the adjusting entry? Here it is a loss, isn't it? So it is, this loss is a charge against profit, isn't it? So it must be the profit and loss account must be debited. Profit and loss account, debtor to provision for discount on debtors, liability. Okay, provision for discount on debtors. Then same thing, provision for discount on debtors created. Okay, provision for discount on debtors created. That's the adjusting entry. Then how this will appear in the final accounts? Okay, in the profit and loss account. We will write in the debit side to provision for discount on debtors. So actually, if okay, if it is one item, we will write like this. Okay, then if there are bad debts available in the trial balance. Okay, trial balance one we will write in the, okay, then add bad debts written off. Okay, that is given in the adjustment. We will add, then add new provision for discount on debtors less provision for doubtful debts less old provision for okay, we will write this one along with the, okay, this one doubtful debts, add a new provision, the less old provision we have to write in the outer column. Okay, but provision for discount on debtors, if it is given in the trial balance, okay, then old provision add new provision. We need to write in the outer column. Okay, if they have given the old provision for discount on debtors in the trial balance, we have to do the calculation like this. Old provision for discount on debtors, add new provision discount on debtors. Even if we adjust this one along with this one also, no problem. Okay, but old provision for discount on debtors is given clearly in the trial balance. We can do as separate with the new provision for discount on debtors. Okay, old provision add new provision. We will add and write that amount in the outer column. Then how it will be treated in the balance sheet. In the asset side. Okay, sundry debtors. Okay, first we will write that amount. Then we have to deduct the bad debt that is given in the adjustment. Okay, that one we have to reduce first. Then the provision that we have made. Okay, provision for doubtful debts. What is if it is anything in the adjustment? We have to calculate on this amount. Okay, we will deduct. This is called good book debts or good debtors. Okay, from this one we have to deduct the provision for discount on debtors. Then this balance amount we have to write in the outer column in the balance sheet. Okay, so shall we do one problem in the that is from the book, in the notebook. Okay, from the exercise. So please turn to that page number The exercise, I think 4 we have completed. Okay, 5 we need to do. 5 we need to do. Okay, I will read out the problem. The trial balance of a trader on 31st December 2016 shows sundry debtors 50,000, adjustments write off 1,000 as bad debts, 5% for doubtful debts, and provide 2% for discount on debtors. Show how these items will appear in the profit and loss account and balance sheet of the trader. So we will write first one, profit and loss account. No adjusting entry they have asked. Okay, profit and loss account of trader not given. Okay, of a trader for the year ending 31st December 2016. Okay, profit and loss account only we will get more, 2 column. Okay, first only sundry debtors available, no other bad debts or provision for bad debts in the trial balance, isn't it? So we need to add all the adjustments. Okay, so 2 bad debts 1,000, then add provision for doubtful debts. Doubtful debts. Okay, 5% we need to calculate. Okay, so 5 by 100. No need to show this calculation, just to make you understand I am writing this one calculation here. Okay, so the sundry debtors given in the book is 5,000, 50,000. So we need to deduct this bad debts 1,000. So 49,000. Okay, here only 5%. Okay, 0. 9 5s are 45. Balance 4. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 4, 24. Okay, then add next one. C. Provide 2% for discount on debtors. So provision for discount on debtors. So now we need to calculate. We have to deduct this amount from this 49,000. Okay. So 49,000 minus 2,450. 5. 9 minus 4. 5. Here 8. 8 minus 2, 6. 4. So 46,550 into, what is the rate? 2%. 2 by 100. Here 1 0 only. We need to multiply this one, isn't it? 2 5s are 10. Balance 1. 2 5s are 10 plus 1, 11. Balance 1. 2 6s are 12 plus 1, 13. Balance 1. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9. So here we need to cut 1 0. Okay, so, okay. What is the amount? 931. Now we need to add all these amount. Okay, right in the outer column. 1, 8, 13, balance 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So 4,381. Okay, next we should see how this will appear in the balance sheet. As on 31st December 2016. Asset side. Okay, we need to show. So first what is given in the trial balance we have to write. Okay, sundry debtors. Two column. Sundry debtors given in the trial balance 50,000 less bad debts 1,000, isn't it? Write off bad debts, that 1,000. Remaining 49,000. From this amount we have deducted the provision for doubtful debts. Provision for doubtful debts. That one 2,450. 5, 5, 6, 4. Then from this amount we need to deduct the provision for discount on debtors. $931. The net amount we need to write outside. Okay. 9, 4 minus 3, 1. Then 15 minus 9, 6, 5, 4. 45,619. Okay, that's all. Now let us do the sixth problem. Okay, I will read the sixth one. The following are the extracts from the trial balance. Sundry debtors, bad debts. Okay, trial balance item, 2 item. Okay, old bad debts. Then new bad debts given in the adjustment. Write off further bad debts. Then create 10% provision for bad and doubtful debts. No discount on debtors. Okay, now we will see how this is appearing in the. What is the question? You are required to pass necessary adjusting entries and show how these items will appear in the profit and loss account and balance sheet. Usually they will ask this type of question for 5 mark. Okay, very easy. To adjusting entry, then profit and loss account, balance sheet we need to write. Okay, the calculation only must be very correct. Okay, sixth problem. First we will write the adjusting entries. For the additional information, write off further bad debts. What is the adjusting entry for the bad debts? Okay, for A, bad debts account debtor, bad debts account debtor to sundry debtors. Okay, bad debts written off. Bad debts account debtor to sundry debtors. Amount 3,000. Then B, 10% provision for bad and doubtful debts. It is charged against profit, so profit and loss account must be debited. That is the adjusting entry. Profit and loss account debtor to provision for bad and doubtful debts. Oh, provision for bad and doubtful debts. Then provision for bad and doubtful debts created. Now we need to calculate the amount. First sundry debtors amount is 30,000. Okay. Now we need to reduce the adjustment, further bad debts. Okay, 3,000. So we will get 27,000. From this amount only we need to calculate 10%. Okay, that one 2,700. Okay, so we have prepared the adjusting entries. Now we need to show this one in the profit and loss account. Okay, profit and loss account. For the year ending 31st, not given, isn't it? For the year ending. Now it will appear on the debit side. Okay. To the bad debts given in the trial balance. To bad debts 5,000. Add further bad debts. Okay, 3,000. 8,000. Now add provision for bad and doubtful debts. Okay, now we need to calculate how. Already sundry debtors is 30,000 minus 3,000, we will get 27,000. We have calculated, isn't it? 2,700. 2,700. So 10,700 is the amount to be debited in the profit and loss account. Then balance sheet. Asset side. Okay. Sundry debtors. 30,000. That adjustment bad debts, trial balance bad debts will come one place that we have entered here 5,000. Okay, forget about that one. Now adjustment only will come in the balance sheet. So first we need to deduct the further bad debts. Bad debts 3,000. Then we need to reduce the provision for bad and doubtful debts. That one 2,700. Zero, 3, 4, 2. 24,300. Okay. Now another problem also there. Okay, seventh one. related to this, that provision for bad debts related to sundry debtors. Okay, the following are the extracts from the trial balance. Sundry debtors given, old provision for doubtful debts given, old bad debts given. Now additional information, that means further bad debts, then provision for bad and doubtful debts. Okay, you are required to pass necessary adjusting entries and show how these items will appear in profit and loss account and balance sheet. First, we need to prepare the adjusting entries. Okay, first write the number 7. Okay, adjusting entries. Only 2 entries for the adjustment. Okay, first one A, additional bad debts. So, bad debts is a loss, isn't it? Bad debts account debtor to sundry debtors. Sundry debtors must be credited. Then, bad debts written off. How much? 3,000. Okay, then provision for bad and doubtful debts. So it is a charge against profit. So we need to debit the profit and loss account. Profit and loss account debtor to provision for bad and doubtful debts. Then provision for bad and doubtful debts created. Now we need to calculate, isn't it? First, from the sundry debtors 50,000, we need to reduce the additional bad debts 3,000. So we will get to 47,000. In this 47,000, 10 percentage. So we will get to 4,700. Okay, now we need to show this one in the profit and loss account and the balance sheet. So first we will show in the profit and loss account. For the year ending, not given. So you write like this. Okay, debit side only. So take more space for debit side. 2. First, bad debts. That means the old one. Okay, we need to write what is given in the trial balance, 3,000. Okay, add bad debts or additional bad debts that is given. Okay, additional bad debts in bracket new, just to make you understand. Okay, that is 3,000. So we get 6,000. Now we need to add the new provision for bad and doubtful debts. Okay, bad and doubtful debts. What we have calculated. Okay, how much we have calculated? 4,700. This is the new one. Okay, so 10,700. So from this one, we need to reduce provision for bad and doubtful debts, old one. Provision for bad and doubtful debts, old one is how much? what is given in the trial balance? 5,000. So how much we will get? 5,700. That one only in the outer column. Okay, then the same we will show in the balance sheet. Okay, here we have to take this side only more. Okay, assets 1, 2, sundry debtors 50,000. First, the new one, adjustment only we need to take, less additional bad debts 3,000, 47,000. Then less provision for bad and doubtful debts. You have to write full word, okay? Doubtful debts 4,700. 0, 0, 3, 2, 4. Okay, 42,300. Okay. Now the 8th exercise also we will see. 8th exercise, sundry debtors, the trial balance. Okay, discount on debtors, bad debts. Additional information, create provision for doubtful debts, create provision for discount on debtors. If they have given this provision for doubtful debts and discount on debtors here and here in the trial balance, we can show this one, discount on debtors, separately. Okay, and bad debts will be adjusted with the provision for doubtful debts. Okay, so as 2 items we can show. So what is the question? Necessary adjusting entries. So first, adjusting entries. So write the number first, then write adjusting entries. Mostly they will ask one problem. Okay, 5 mark. So try to do and see. Adjusting entries, first A. Create provision for doubtful debts. It is a charge against profit. So the profit and loss account must be debited. 2. Provision for doubtful debts. Doubtful debts. Okay, here. Then provision for doubtful debts created. Amount 10% on sundry debtors. 10% sundry debtors 50,000. Here no new bad debts. Okay, so from this one we can calculate 10%. We will get 5,000. Then for B, adjusting entry, provision for discount on debtors. It is also a charge against profit. Same entry only. Profit and loss account, debtor. 2. Provision for discount on debtors. Okay, provision for discount on debtors created. Okay, now we need to reduce this 5,000 from the debtors. How much we will get? 45,000. from this one 5%. Okay, 0, 5 5s are 25, balance 2, 5 4s are 20 plus 2, 22, 2250. Now we have to write the second part. Okay, how this will appear in the profit and loss account and balance sheet. Final accounts, if they ask also, we have to do like this. Okay, profit and loss account for the year ending. Okay, debit side 2. First one, bad debts, old bad debts. Okay, that we have to take first. Now only one thing we are going to adjust. Okay, provision for doubtful debts. Add provision for doubtful debts. How much? 10% on 50,000, 5,000, isn't it? So this one we need to write. Then since they have given this discount on debtors in the trial balance, we are taking this as the second item. 2. Discount on debtors. Discount on debtors 2,000. Now add provision for discount on debtors that we have calculated. Discount on debtors 2,250. So 4,250. Okay, over. Now the balance sheet. Within 5 minutes we can complete. Okay. Here balance sheet item we have to take asset side more place. Okay. So sundry debtors first. Here in the balance sheet we will adjust only 2 items. Okay, what the adjustments? Additional information only must be adjusted. They are called the adjustments. 50,000 less. First one, provision for doubtful debts. $5,000, 45,000 less provision for discount on debtors 2,250. Okay, so 42,750. Okay, that is the amount, and otherwise you deduct. Okay, you will get this amount. Okay students, we have completed this adjustment and the problems related to these adjustments also. Okay, then again 2 more adjustments available we will do, and we can complete that portion also. Then one more chapter there, computer chapter, that also we will learn the theory portion. Okay, so do and see all these problems. Okay, thank you students.